Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pasta salad at home. First, choose a short pasta shape like rotini or pen, as these hold dressing well. Cook your pasta al dente according to the package directions, usually for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain it thoroughly and rinse with cold water. This stops the cooking and prevents the pasta from sticking together, ensuring a perfect base for your salad. Next, let's create a vibrant dressing and add fresh vegetables. In a small bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried oregano. Then, add your favorite colorful vegetables. Think about 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of diced cucumber, and half a cup each of finely diced red onion and bell peppers for a delightful crunch. To make your pasta salad more substantial, consider adding some protein and cheese. You could include about 1 cup of cooked, diced chicken, ham, or even chickpeas for a vegetarian option. For a creamy, tangy element, stir in half a cup of crumbled feta cheese or shredded mozzarella. Don't forget other flavorful additions like 1/4 cup of sliced black olives or a few tablespoons of chopped sun-dried tomatoes to elevate the taste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your cooked pasta, the prepared dressing, all the vegetables, protein, and cheese. Toss everything until it's well coated. Before serving, taste the salad and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or vinegar if needed. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the pasta salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or even overnight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.